Here's how to.
AESPA.
And today we're going to create a track like Spicy. Let's jump straight into it. Let's create a melody in E minor. Starting with these notes one semitone apart is great for K-pop. And we need a crazy sawtooth bass. I use this preset from Grain X4. Let's also add a lead layer. And a sub bass, copying the exact same melody. For all of these sounds, I use my plugin Grain X4, which has over 400 presets and is currently 50% off and linked in the description of this video. We can now add a really repetitive lead melody, simply playing the tonal center of this track, E. Drum time. We've got a lot going on here. It's super important to layer your drums. A lot of producers completely neglect their drums. Let's take a kick, a snare and a clap, closed and open hats, and a perk loop, and some modulated distortion effects. Listen to how full these now sound. We can also add low pass filters to the melodic elements to distinguish the verse from the hook. Anyway, that's how you make a beat for
AESPA.
I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.